Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala ukandat ke sangma menta kesngi balang ke arpunyo terik urisau arhajar arpuar haba keli halor ke jingsiat tendong sat khmat ikino hikai ke belatur sya sekretariat menha ka henriu terik mentahi ubenai ula jubab da ka baong ba kwa bandan menta ki kam jingya kulmar ba jingya snam ula ban rapru da ka baong ba unget ba ka jingya kran ka de ke ba biang tam ban penbet ya kanu jingya ken an Shushu Menteri Rangba ula ong baha ketu ke jingja ke klem dan ke jing ai jing bet ikino hikai wikila ban wantur sya sekretariat bat kilali persya aru ke kendon an jo ke section Shispa Sapusau CRPC ula ong ru bagi pulet kila pendan kam de kitendong sat khmat namar ki perkhat ba ka de ke ba khamsok ban pen prai ki pat ba ki batur sya sekretariat Nakalyang jong Menteri Rangba ula ong ru baka sorkar kadang lekat bala banwat ikilat kilenti banyarap ye kini kino hikai.
On the lines of teachers are important part of the society. There was a lot of uproar when teachers were attacked with tear gas. You haven't reacted to that. So what would you like to say about that?
No, this is in fact last time as I was mentioning we are waiting for some kind of a report. But one has to see 2-3 things. Of course, I am a person who is not in favor of violence in any situations. I think in the last 4.5 years you must have seen that. And therefore I always, any issue that is being there, I believe that always dialogue is the best way to move forward, and that's the reason I myself also always meet everybody. In that situation there were a lot of conflicting and complicated situations. The permissions for them to come forward to the secretariat was not given. There was section 144 that was imposed, but the teachers had come. And and of course there were women out there, and there were not enough police, women police out there. So these kind of complications came up. I guess if proper communication in terms of permissions were given, say suppose, and they had come, then I think the system would have been much more smoother. I'm guessing maybe the police and all saw the teachers and all were concerned if something may happen, and hence tear gas would be the most simplest way in one way to disperse the crowd without going to violence of any sort. So really it's difficult to say for me without really understanding what the officials went through at the grassroots level at that point in time and what led to the decision at that point in time. But I think what's important is that nobody was very seriously hurt. What's important is that these things happened, and we have taken a report and everything from everybody, and more importantly the issues that we're trying to address, we have tried to explain to everybody about the issues at home. So we're trying to find out in ways and means in which we can explain to everybody. We have also mentioned that we may be able to give some relief in terms of the age condonation at a certain point in time. All these mentions have been done, points have been mentioned by the Education Minister himself. So it's a complicated issue, but let's see how we move forward.